Hello friends and welcome to Commodity Outlook. My name is Jatin Trivedi, Senior Research Analyst with LKP Commodities and Currencies. So for this week, we are recommending to go short on the metal index. That is, the metal prices are looking a little bit on the bearish side since we have seen a strong, leg up rallies in the base metal index and base metal prices as well, comprising of copper, zinc, lead, nickel. All of the base metals have performed strongly in the last couple of weeks, but somehow base metal index is, trading in a uh, has failed to cross the previous high level and now has breached the previous low level as well. So as far as the levels are concerned, around 13,400 to 13,500 is looking as a sell side opportunities and sell side resistance zone. Keeping the stop loss above 13,700, one can look at targets of around 12,900 to 12,800 for this week in base metals. So we are a little bit bearish on the base metal front. On the bullions market, we are quite range bound. As we have seen the bullions market in the range bound trading, we have observed since the last couple of weeks, and last week we have also seen bullion prices recovering from the lows of around 47,500 due to the vaccine updates which have come positively from the US fronts, and also India is coming up with the vaccines as well in the weeks ahead. So we will have some whipsaw movements, volatilities being witnessed in the bullion prices, but it looks like that the bullions has absorbed the vaccine news, the vaccine update. So broad trend can change to sideways to range bound or weak to a bullish trend going ahead. But the levels which are important is 47,500 on the lower side and 50,000 on the higher side. Till the time prices are trading below 50,000, it is still range bound. So do not hurry into buying gold silver right now. Keep it a range bound trade. Sell it on the higher side around 49,500 with the stop loss above 50,000. And on the buying side, look to buy at the levels of around 48,500 to 48,000, keeping a stop loss below 47,500. Till the time this range of 2,000 odd points is trading, one should be looking at trading in this range. Once it starts trading above 50,000 and gives you a close above 50,000, then you can start to look at it as a fresh rally going up towards the levels of 52, 52,500 on the MCX front. And on the spot prices, once it starts trading and closes above 1880, one should be looking at good rallies coming ahead towards the levels of 1950 to 1970 in the weeks ahead. Now talking about the last, that is energy spec. As we have seen, natural gas prices has suddenly changed its word and started falling drastically, and now also below 180 odd prices in the MCX. One should avoid this counter as of now, because till the time it is trading below 190, natural gas prices can be in the bearish zone. So I would recommend to avoid natural gas prices till the time it is trading below 190. Any short positions should be kept with the stop loss of 190. If ethanol prices do start trading above 190, one can look at buying then afterwards. So this is about it from me, guys. Hope to catch you all next week again. Stay home, stay safe, happy trading.